Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a haul video. And as you can tell, we got a lot of things that will be reviewed in this month, or maybe in the following weeks. You never know. So let's get started. So as you recall, a few weeks ago, me, my sister, and my niece, we were on there, and my sister was trying on a lot of wigs. Well, one of the wigs that I got to get was Tiffany, because you guys noticed that I love Tiffany really, really well. And Tiffany is one of my personal favorites. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to style her up real soon. So we got Tiffany. Another one that we got was Game Changer from Sensational. I did review Game Changer and Rule Breaker and Showstopper on my old channel, but since this is a new channel and I heard some new things about this where they actually tweaked them a little bit, so I was excited to bring Game Changer, and I believe we got a Rule Breaker over there. I forgot to pick her up and bring her over here, but I have Game Changer and Rule Breaker to review also, so this is going to be interesting. This is actually some from the Curly Kinks company of Sensational, so I'm really geeked to see what that's going to look like. Also, we picked up another Sensational wig. It is their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace multi-parting Vixen unit. And if you know anything about the Vixen units are where you can part it. You can do a half up, half down. You can even wear 4 ponytails if you want to. So that's going to be really dope. I can't wait. I believe I got mine in matte gray. You guys, if you guys know me, especially if you know me really well on a personal level, you know I love matte gray. So I'm really geeked about that. What else did we pick up? We picked up Liliana. I'm hoping I pronounced that correctly. But I got her in a 1B, and she's part of the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace. She's part of the Wet Lace, the Hairline Illusion Lace wig by Sensational, which I actually love these. I have a special relationship with these things because the hairline on these are dope. Like, you can part it and no one would ever tell that you have a wig on, basically. So I think that's a plus. I can't wait. Like I said, I got this one in a 1B, so I kind of can't wait to see what that looks like. And the last wig I got was Clarissa. And Clarissa is part of the Sensational Empress lace line. It has a lace front parting. It has a deep side part. It does have baby hair, and I got mine in the tea purple charcoal gray. You guys know it's fall season, so you guys usually see me in a few more extra colors, like fall light colors. I don't know. I like gray and I like purple, so why not put them both together? But that's what she looks like. I'm really geeked. I'm actually excited to see what she looks like. I'm starting to see, if you look closer, you can see a little bit more purple than anything, and I think that's pretty dope. I really wish I would have got this metallic blue that she has on, but the purple is definitely going to do some justice for me. Also, before leaving my job, yes, I got all of these items at my job, which is Hey Beauty, in Duncanville, Texas, at 700 North Clark Road in Duncanville, Texas, 75116. The phone number, I don't know. You usually have to go to Hey Beauty DT Slaves to figure out the phone number, because I sure don't know. I did pick up some really cute headbands, so I'll be doing some more headbands. Like, I actually have a whole video that I'm going to do about headbands and scarves and how to actually style them up to, where they work for you. I did pick up some edge control by Mayvenn, the new product that they have, but right now it's in my purse and I don't feel like going to go get it. But you guys will see the review on there, and I will be giving you my full-fledged honest review. If this video was highly informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye! Boy, you wanna be